Christmas is getting near, so I thought it might be fun to make a Christmas Scrivener project over the course of the month. Okay, this is going to be really silly and probably nothing that you'd ever want to use, but it's the processes that matter. And it might look great. But a warning up front, if you're tempted to even do slightly the same thing, some of these things will affect all your projects. The first thing we're going to tackle is Christmas-themed icons for the binder. Here are the emojis I've chosen. Mr. and Mrs. Claus. Yes, they're character icons. First, let's add them to the icons list. So just highlight something in the binder, right-click and select Change Icons, and then Manage Icons. Here you have a plus button, which will allow you to select your new icons from your computer. Now, I want to automatically get these to appear in different folders for different points of view, so I'm going to add them to documents in the Templates folder. And this is project specific. Next, I have to assign them to the binders folders. So select the folder, Documents, Default Template for Subdocuments. Then every new document I create within the folder will have the right icon. If you wanted multiple folders with the same icon, which you probably would if you were writing a book, the easiest way to do that would be to duplicate the folder once the template is assigned. Yay, all ready for a cosy Christmas story. Next week we'll be doing some work with colours. That video will be here once it's live.